In today's interconnected world, sending money to loved ones is more important than ever. Whether it's to support your family, grow a business, or offer new opportunities, sending funds across borders helps turn dreams into reality. At the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, we make it fast, easy, and reliable to send money from anywhere in the world through our partnerships with leading foreign money transfer agents, including Bole Atlantic, Western Union, Transfast, Dahabshin, Cash Express, Al Ansari, MoneyGram, and other MTOs. We also offer Ethio Direct, CashGo, and FastPay mobile apps, providing you with an ever more seamless way to send money directly to the receiver's bank account. It's just another way we ensure that sending money back home is simple and convenient. Commercial Bank of Ethiopia offers an additional bonus for remittance recipients when funds are sent through Ethio Direct, CashGo, and FastPay apps and our partnered MTOs. You can be confident that your funds will reach their destinations securely, ensuring that you can send money directly to your friends and family with a global reach and flexible option. Whether you're sending money through our partner networks or using our SWIFT code CBE Theta, your transfer will be processed efficiently, ensuring that your loved ones receive it instantly and safely. Additionally, you will benefit from CBE's competitive negotiable rates on SWIFT transfers, cash, and documents. Furthermore, as part of the Double initiative, the Unite.et platform allows you to open a foreign currency or Ethiopian birr account online from anywhere in the world, bringing even more flexibility to your banking experience. When you send money through the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, you benefit from superior service quality, competitive exchange rates, and secure transactions. You are also not just sending money, you're sending support through Ethiopia's largest and most trusted bank. And with exclusive offers, branded gifts, and promotions, each transaction becomes even more rewarding. Trust the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia to connect you to your loved ones wherever you are. Send money quickly, safely, and securely with the bank that has been empowering lives for generations.
ወደ ውድ ሀገራችሁ ለረፍትም ሆነ ለስራ ጎራ ለምትሉ በውጭ ሀገር ለምትኖሩ ኢትዮጵያውያንና ለዓለም አቀፍ ተጓዦች ባንካችን ከውድ እስከ ውድ በሁሉም የሀገሪቱ አካባቢዎች የሚያገለግሉ ኤቲኤሞችን አዘጋጅቶ ይቀበላችኋል። በሸመታ ጊዜም ቢሆን በፖስ ማሽኖቻችን ግብይታችሁ አልጋባልጋል። በውጭ ሀገር ቪዛ፣ ዩኒየን ፔ አሊያም ማስተር ካርዶቻችሁ በመላ ኢትዮጵያ ተገልግላችሁ ያሻችሁን በእጃችሁ በኢትዮ ዳይሬክት እና ከ730 በላይ ታዋቂ ዓለም አቀፍ ባንኮች ጋር በተጣመረው ስዊፍት ኮዳችን CBE Theta እንዲሁም በሌሎች የገንዘብ ማስተላለፊያ መንገዶች በኩል እንድትጠቀሙ በክብር እናስታውሳችኋለን። በተጨማሪ በረጅም ጊዜ ክፍያና እጅግ አነስተኛ በሆነ ወለድ ለቤት፣ ለመኪና፣ ለግል ጉዳይና ለንግድ ስራ የሚውሉ የብድር አማራጮችንም እነሆ።
ኤደን የታናሽ ወንድሟ የትምህርት ክፍያ በአስቸኳይ መከፈል አለበት። በኢትዮ ዳይሬክት አፕሊኬሽን ቪዛ ወይም ማስተር ካርዷን ተጠቅማ በቀጥታ ወደ ባንክ ሂሳቡ መላክ መቻሏ ይበልጥ ለሀገር ቤት ቅርብ አድርጓታል። ሁሌም በቀላል መንገድ ቤተሰቧን መደገፍ በመቻሏ ደስተኛ ነች። በኢትዮ ዳይሬክት ገንዘብና ፍቅሮን ወደ ሀገር ቤት። የኢትዮጵያ ንግድ ባንክ ሁሌም የሚተማመኑበት ባንክ።